Bandeira, and welcome to my demo reel for Valley of the Ancients. This presentation is designed to showcase both my creative sound design and my technical implementation skills within Unreal Engine 6. To begin, let's set the scene with a brief look at the world itself and how audio establishes its atmosphere and identity. I began by defining the key audio features for each scene, starting with the ambient system for the starter area. A prime example is this campfire, which I made using a blend of my own recordings and procedural elements for a dynamic non-repetitive loop. To ground the campfire in the space, I used the cone-shaped audio volume to trigger a dedicated submix reverb, ensuring the fire feels physically present in the scene. For the broader environment, I implemented a soundscape system, driven by a custom data table I built to manage all the ambient palettes. In the first level, I created a simple blueprint that initializes the soundscape based on player input, introducing a layered wind element that welcomes them into the experience. The soundscape also integrates with a master control hierarchy, giving me per-level mixing control over every environmental element you heard in the intro. For the main character, I completely remade all the pre-existing cloth and footstep assets with my own recordings, syncing the audio to each animation sequence to ensure it matched the character's movement in different styles. I strategically placed certain assets as standalone ambient sound actors, which allowed me to fine-tune their positioning, attenuation, and apply unique modulation and effect chains outside the soundscape, ensuring every element sits perfectly in the final mix. For the second level, I expanded the ambient system to deepen the dangerous atmosphere and implemented audio splines that dynamically follow the player, emitting tonal wind noises that create a sense of unease and premonition. This foundation supports the combat experience, for which I specially designed all sound effects. This includes the unique ability systems for both the main character and the Valley of the Ancients boss, ensuring each power feels impactful. My work also encompassed all cinematic sequences and interactive combat features, creating a cohesive and intense audio narrative for the entire encounter. Thank you for taking the time to watch my demo reel. If you enjoyed this showcase of my work, you can find more on my YouTube channel and connect with me on LinkedIn. A special thank you also goes out to the incredible Unreal Engine community. The shared knowledge and tutorials were an invaluable resource throughout this project.